Most relationships don't collapse overnight. They slowly break in silence. Welcome to Relationship and Lifestyle with Michael. Here we talk about love, connection, and emotional intelligence. It's not the shouting that destroys most relationships, it's actually the silence, the quiet, slow, emotional shutdown that nobody notices until it's too late. Because when a woman stops talking, she's not at peace. She's not. She's actually preparing to disconnect. At first, she's used to explain, everything to you. She will tell you how she feels, what hurt her, or what she needed. But you notice that over time, she realized something. She realized that you were not really listening. No. So, she adjusted. Not by shouting louder, but by saying less. Silence doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight. It actually builds. It builds slowly. She suddenly stops complaining. She stops asking. She even stops correcting you. And then you think, finally, oh, there's peace. But what you're actually witnessing at that point is emotional withdrawal. At this point, she has started to withdraw into her shell because she feels, oh, there's no point beating a dead horse. So she begins to withdraw. She begins to withdraw. The fact is that most men misunderstand this stage in a woman's life. Most men misunderstand it because they think she's no more nagging, which is a sign that things are getting better. So they think, no, that's wrong. Things are quieter, yes, but not better. Because silence in a relationship is really peace. It's really a sign of peace. It often signals resignation. That is what it actually means. Resignation. See, when a woman feels unheard repeatedly, her brain begins to adapt. Her brain begins to adjust to the fact that I'm just talking. Like I'm just talking and nobody's listening. So her brain begins to adapt. After some time, you notice that she will now begin to believe. She begins to believe that nothing changes, that talking doesn't change anything. It becomes our present our reality, that talking doesn't change anything. So instead of continuously talking, Then she decides, oh, it's high time I protect myself. So she begins to protect herself. How? By emotionally checking out. At this stage of emotionally checking out by your lady, yes, she's there. You still see her physically, but her mind has gone 1,000 miles away from you. And once that happens, you are no longer in a growing relationship. You are actually in a fading one. Your relationship is declining. You need to watch carefully. Watch carefully. Because these are the signs that most men ignore. Most men ignore the signs. She stops arguing completely. She no longer banters with you. A lot of men think that is a sign of progress. No. She stops arguing completely. She no longer reacts to things that used to upset her in the past. She no longer reacts. She no longer responds to things she used to complain about in the past. And you as a man, you think all is well. And you notice that conversations become short. And at surface level, at the peripheral level, your conversations are now shallow. Ordinarily in the past, you guys used to maintain, talk at length about happenings, daily happenings at work, in the church, about the kids, about your future plans. But at this point in the relationship, your conversations are now short. And she begins to share less about her life with you. Because she no longer sees you as a place of safety. She no longer sees you as a companion that gives her peace. So she begins to share less about life with you. You are no longer confident. At this point, she stops trying to fix the relationship. She stops trying. And that last one, that last point, is the most dangerous of all. When she stops trying to fix the relationship, it's the most dangerous of all. Because when a woman stops trying, let me say that again. When a woman stops trying, it means she has already started living emotionally. Started living. And guys, Here is the painful truth. Here is the painful truth that nobody tells you. It's that by the time most men notice, by the time they notice, they are not trying to fix the relationship. No, they are trying to revive something that already died quietly. It has already died quietly. So trying at this point in the relationship, when the relationship was already on the decline, at this point when your partner had checked out emotionally, is actually pointless, if not an effort in futility. So you begin to ask yourself, okay, so what should you do? Okay, so you begin to ask yourself, so what should you actually do before it gets to that point? What should you do? You don't wait for silence. Don't wait for it to get to the point of silence. You create emotional safety early. You create emotional safety early enough. How? You listen without defending. Okay? Listen without defending. You ask questions. Ask without judging. Ask. Do not judge. Then, of course, what most men ignore, you respond without dismissing. You need to pay rapt attention at this point. Because the goal at this point is not to win arguments. No, that's not the goal. Remember, you are on a revival mission. So your goal is not to show that I'm right and you are wrong. The goal is not to show that I've always been right. No, far from me. You are a man on a mission of revival. So your goal is not to win arguments, but it's to keep communication alive. I repeat, your goal is to keep the lines of communication between you and your partner alive. And that is the goal. But if you are seeing these signs already, don't ignore them. If you've already started seeing these signs, don't ignore them. Don't ignore them. And this is exactly why I created the 7-day couples communication reset. You have created it already. It's live. To help you build, or rather, to help you rebuild connection. On time, before the silence turns into distance. So get yours in the link. And if you haven't noticed, you've not observed that I already have it there. Or perhaps you have. But if you have not watched the previous video, that's the last video on the emotional habits that keep women engaged. Then watch it, because that is where this all begins. If you have watched me this far, and if this message resonates with you, then subscribe to Relationship and Lifestyle with Michael, because strong relationships, they are not built by chance. They are built through understanding. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Cheers.